Komodo dragons are native to the inhabitants of Komodo Islands. The local people name this animal is Ora. Komodo is the largest species of the Varanidae family and is crowned as the largest lizard in the world. Komodo dragon can have an average length of around 2 until 3 meters and can weigh up to 100 kilograms. This animal is a top predator in its habitat. Komodo dragons are very famous animals in the world because they have high aggression toward their prey. However, the Komodo dragon habitat is slowly shrinking due to human activities that are starting to disrupt their life. Therefore, the IUCN, International Union for the Conservation of Nature, includes Komodo usually forage by sneaking around and then followed by a sudden attack on the victim. When the prey is within reach of the Komodo, it will immediately ambush and bite the lower side of the body or throat. One of the advantages of the Komodo is in finding prey in its habitat is by using its tongue. The Komodo tongue can smell its prey, be it dead or dying animals at a distance of about 9 kilometers. Komodo usually eats its prey by tearing the meat first. After that, it will swallow the dead prey whole. Komodo also has saliva that can help it finish food in one swallow. As a carnivore that is very aggressive toward carcass, Komodo also does not hesitate to prey on human and corpse. They usually dig shallow grave and then eat the prey they want to eat. Komodo dragon is a species that is vulnerable to extinction and is included as a protected animal. This is safe tips for seeing Komodo dragon. If you want to see the Komodo dragon in person, you need to know the safety tips that must be prepared before seeing the predatory animal. Here are the tips. First, do not bring meat. When you want to visit Komodo Islands and see the giant lizard, you should not bring food in the form of meat. This can trigger that Komodo dragon instinct as a carnivore. Komodo dragon can smell meat even though it has been processed with various cooking spices. Second, must obey the guide. When entering the Komodo dragon habitat, you are required to use a guide. You will also not be allowed to explore Komodo Islands without a guide. This is because it will endanger tourists. In addition, while on Komodo Islands, you should always be with a guide so that you can get extra security. Third, keep your distance from Komodo dragons. If you meet the Komodo dragon in person, you will not be allowed to get too close to the animal. Try to always keep your distance from the Komodo dragon because if you get too close, it will endanger yourself. Komodo can run up to 20 km/h, so it will make it difficult for you to avoid that. Four, menstruating women must be more careful. As an animal that eats meat, Komodo dragons are also very sensitive to blood. If you are on Komodo Islands and are menstruating, that you should be more careful and alert. However, you should tell the guide about your condition so that you also get extra protection. 5. Do not wear clothes with fringes. The last safe tip for seeing Komodo dragon is to not wear loose and fringe clothes. This is because Komodo dragon have the same character as bulls, who are easily attractive to waving or swaying clothes. Therefore, wear comfortable but safe clothes to see Komodo dragon. This is information about Komodo dragon. This animal is a protected giant lizard. Until now, its population has continued to decline, especially due to the expansion of human activity on the islands. However, you can still see Komodo dragon by visiting Komodo Islands by paying attention to various safe tips for seeing carnivorous animals that can at any time endanger tourists. Welcome to Komodo Islands in NTT Province of Indonesia.